You know, for the longest time, the greatest thinkers, even the scientists, the philosophers, and all the wise men always thought that the world was flat. And whenever they sailed their ships, they did so with so much caution because they thought that they will reach the end of the world and they will just fall off. But it took one voyager, just to go and test that theory. And that's how it was discovered that the world is not flat, but it's round. Hence it's called the globe. And it was also discovered that the world spins around its axis. That's why today we are looking at the world that we are. But it was someone who stood up and tested that theory to be false. And also for the longest time, it was thought that man was not supposed to fly. Because even though the laws of aerodynamics were always there, it was believed that if God wanted man to fly, he would have given him wings. But we don't have feathers, and hence we couldn't fly. But hey, Orville and Wilbur Wright, known as the Wright brothers, they said, no, we don't think so. They went out there to test and to prove their theory wrong. That's why, therefore, in 1904, the flying machine was invented. And today we've got aeroplanes. So it simply means that to live your dreams, you've got to be unreasonable. You've got to be impractical. Because if you're unreasonable, you get to test those things that people have stated as the truth, whereas it's not. So what is it that you haven't tested about your life that people have told you that you are not capable of? And you say, oh no, I don't think so. No one could have thought that I can write 4 books or 5 books, and still counting, by the way. So I had to test that theory. So that's something about your life. You've got to be unreasonable and you've got to be impractical. Because reasonable and practical people never get to live their dreams because they walk by sight, not by faith. We are told over and over again that walk by faith, not by sight. Because if you do so, if you believe in the unbelievable, if you believe in the impossible, that's what is called faith. You don't believe in what you see, but in what is unseen. And you go for it, and the world look at you and say, wow, how did you do that? It's simply because you are an unreasonable person when it comes to your dreams. So go out there and fight for your stuff. Be unreasonable. Be impractical. Because your dreams are out there calling your name. So go for it. Don't listen to those voices that don't know who you are. I believe in you. Let's go.